If your skin is not looking as beautiful as you want it to look, you might be missing something. Most people don't know that there is a strong relationship between skin lightness and beauty and health. A darker skin tone could indicate you have an insulin resistance or poor circulation, or maybe you're missing a vitamin or an antioxidant that can really give you that look you always wanted. So in today's video, I'll reveal the best natural treatment, home remedies, and supplements you can take to lighten your skin and make it beautiful, naturally and effectively. Hey guys, Dr. Gus here, naturopath, acupuncturist, conventional doctor, and founder of drlandivar.com. In this channel is a conventional doctor treating patients through natural medicine before recurring to the use of pharmaceutical drugs. So if you're new to my channel, consider subscribing and press that bell down below to see notifications and be the first one to watch a new video. If you need a line of quality supplements for your disease, visit drlandivar.com. And stay till the end of this video. I'm going to share extra tips and video links related to this topic. There's no doubt that having a lighter skin, or in other words, a skin full of life and light, gives you a healthier aspect. It's a complex organ that says a whole lot about our health. The darkening of the skin might suggest you're suffering from a metabolic health condition. Maybe insulin resistance, obesity, or nutritional deficit. Who knows? And if you fix that, everything changes. You can start looking the way you always wanted your skin to look. So in today's video, I'm going to reveal the best natural treatment, home remedies, and supplements you can take to lighten your skin and make it beautiful naturally and effectively. Number 1, start using L-glutathione. If you still haven't heard about glutathione, it's time you did. It's a wonderful supplement that can do incredible changes to your health, not just your skin. You see, glutathione is a very powerful antioxidant found in every single cell in our bodies. This natural substance has gained popularity in the past couple of years because it has the incredible ability of lightening the skin, but at the same time improving your health all around the body. Many scientific studies have seen that consuming glutathione in supplement form, on a regular basis obviously, can lighten the skin because it possesses anti-melanogenic properties. This antioxidant lowers the production of melanin, which is the same substance that darkens your skin and gives you that distinct color. Now, the best part about glutathione is it not only lightens your skin, because it actually has other tens of other health benefits in your body. Some of them include making DNA, supporting immune function, breaking down free radicals, combating aging, helping your liver deal with fats, detoxification, and much more. This substance is so important that researchers have found that there's an important link between having low levels of glutathione and many other diseases. So my first advice to you is consume glutathione. You will not only see the difference in your skin, but also your entire body. Bright Caps from Fineland contains an excellent amount of L-glutathione with other ingredients like collagen, hyaluronic acid, and many other vitamins to make sure that your skin absorbs it and uses it correctly. Now, even better if you consume it along with something like Renew Skin or collagen, nicotinamide, other ingredients for that skin to look the way you actually deserve it to look. Number 2, get rid of insulin resistance. Acanthosis nigricans, which is the darkening of the skin in certain areas of the body, is a very common early symptom of other conditions like diabetes and darkening of the skin. If your skin doesn't look the way you want it to and doesn't have the brightness you need it to, then you might have something like insulin resistance. When this happens, the skin becomes darker, mainly in areas where there's less circulation, so the armpits, the neck, the elbows, knees, lips, etc. And they can also itch. The difference between a healthy skin is that there's a better circulation because there is no accumulation of ingredients like sugar, cholesterol, and others that actually damage that good circulation of the skin and that good production of color in the skin. Now, you might need a blood test to confirm this, but if you see your skin that is not the way it actually looked, or it actually needs some help looking brighter, then make the changes you need to make sure that insulin resistance is not a problem. If you need something natural for this purpose that is excellent for insulin resistance and at the same time preventing other diseases and improving that beauty in the skin, look for Appolizer and Metaglucose from Fineland at drlandivar.com. Number 3, use nicotinamide. Nicotinamide is a 100% natural ingredient that is worthy of our attention because it makes and does many changes on the skin. Nicotinamide is a water-soluble vitamin that works with natural substance on your skin to do several things. One of the most important with this respect is that it lightens the skin, and it actually has the ability to reduce the effects of melanin, which is what darkens the skin, by inhibiting the transfer of melanosomes, which are cells on the upper skin layer. But not only that, because it also helps the skin minimize enlarged pores, improve uneven skin tones, soften lines and wrinkles, diminish the dullness of the skin, and many others. It straightens and weakens the surface due to aging. This substance is incredible. It's a vitamin that is deemed to be one of those life-changing substances that you can take to make sure the skin looks the way it has to. It protects you from environmental damages. It improves the skin barrier, the first line of defense. It's never ending. If you need something natural for this purpose that you can apply on the skin with nicotinamide and other ingredients to make sure that this is actually potentiated to make sure that that skin improves in every way, look for Renew Skin from Fineland at drlandivar.com. Number 4, eat an anti-inflammatory diet. Believe it or not, unhealthy diet and lifestyle can lead to many conditions of the skin. Photoaging, uneven pigmentation, less skin repair, dryness, sagginess. And this is one of the reasons why it's very important to address dietary factors, because if you do not eat correctly, how can you expect your skin to stay healthy? Impossible. Just to have an idea of how important this is, being overweight and obese is linked to skin discoloration. This means that maintaining a healthy diet and weight can actually improve skin coloration, prevent breakouts, just do a whole lot of things. Some of the best foods for the skin and with this respect are, for example, some of the following. You can use berries, which are a good source of antioxidants. You can use leafy green vegetables, wild-caught salmon, excellent oils for the skin, for that humidity. You have healthy fats, egg yolks, tomatoes, which are also a great source of lycopene and other natural protective effects against sunburns. You have green tea, orange, veggies, you name it. It's a never-ending story unless you're not eating healthy. You need to eat healthy. Make sure that diet is important in your life. If you need a green smoothie you can take every morning that contains more than 50 fruit and vegetable extracts, every vitamin, mineral, probiotic, and enzyme you might need for an antioxidation respect, look for Green Shot and Multivitamin from Fineland at drlandivar.com. Number 5, milk thistle and liver function. Start consuming milk thistle. Milk thistle is known all over the world for being that kind of detoxifying herb that can change many things. Now, there's one benefit that not many people talk about, but milk thistle is one of those herbs that can favor the lightening of the skin. You see, milk thistle is a true natural gem for liver health. It increases, by the way, glutathione production, which in turn has anti-myogenic properties. You know all the story about this. It's point number 1 we're talking about. And this herb can do wonders for the skin. It can be prescribed as an anti-acne treatment. It can also be helpful with rosacea. It has many uses. If you need something natural for this purpose, look for Thistle Essence from Fineland. It contains a natural 50-to-1 extract, 50 times more powerful than the original herb found in nature. Extremely effective. You can find Thistle Essence at drlandivar.com. And help out the channel by giving this a thumbs up and share with your friends and family. If you have any questions, leave your comments down below, and I'll be happy to assist you. If you need quality supplements for your disease or an online appointment, visit drlandivar.com and check out these other videos stopping bad information that might prevent a serious health condition in the future. Thanks for watching, you guys, and I'll see you soon.